Hey guys, the most downloaded game of 2019, Free Fire, had been banned in India, with 54 other Chinese applications are also got banned in India. According to the government of India, these applications are banned due to the stealing of data of Indian users. It is claiming that the millions of data are manipulated, kept by the Chinese government. So Sweet Selfie, Candy Selfie, Viva Video, UC Browser, Alibaba, Client Master and Free Fire, these kind of huge popularities applications were get banned in India. Now if you go to your app store or if you go to your Play Store and search Free Fire, then you cannot see the applications out there in the Play Store or App Store. And the government of India has announced that these applications are removed from the Play Store in India. So in that case, what happens to your application installed on your device that is already installed? Now in that case, the applications will lost its server and you will not be able to connect with the internet and access them. So in order to download Free Fire or to play with Free Fire, then this video gonna be helpful for you. So if you are new to this channel, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe and share it among your friend who plays Free Fire with you. So watch till the end. This video is genuine video. Please do not spam the comment out there. So let's get started. So first of all, I will make you clear about two perspectives. One is changing your IP address or changing your proxy, and another is downloading a VPN and searching in the Play Store, right? So what is proxy actually means? Okay, proxy is the middle things that remains between your mobile phone and the site server. So if you want to get access to any site and get the data from that site, then at the middle the proxy works as the communicator. So when you change the proxy address, then in that case you can get the data from changing your locations, or let's say the proxy server itself. So now how do you change the proxy server? In order to change your proxy server, first of all, go to your setting and go to your Wi-Fi, and in the connection you can see advanced properties, you can see the proxy setting. So if you change the proxy server by going to the site of proxy list, by just copying it, you can get any other proxy. Well, if it doesn't work it out for you, then go to your Play Store and download the VPN and change your VPN locations, IP address, and get access to that applications. Download it and play in VPN because your server doesn't allow you to play that game. Hope this video has helped to you. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel and help it to grow. तब तक के लिए bye bye.